In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom app and generate a private admin API access token in your Chrome browser. To get started, open your store admin in Chrome and head over to Settings. From there, click on Apps and Sales Channels and then select Develop Apps. This area is where you manage custom-built integrations for your store. If this is your first time here, take a moment to read the page carefully because these apps can access store data and should be created thoughtfully. Using the correct permissions helps keep your store secure while still allowing your integration to function properly. Once you're in the Develop Apps section, click Create an App. You'll then be asked to enter a custom internal app title. This name is mainly for your own reference, so choose something clear and descriptive that helps you identify what the app is for later. For example, you might name it based on the tool, workflow, or system it will connect to. A clean naming convention can save time if you manage multiple apps in the future. After creating the app, the next step is to configure the admin API permission scopes. This is one of the most important parts of the setup. Permission scopes control what the app is allowed to read, write, or manage inside your store. You should only enable the specific scopes your integration actually needs. For example, if your tool only needs access to product data, a scope like Read Products may be appropriate. If it needs to update data, you may need corresponding write permissions. The key here is to avoid granting broader access than necessary. Keeping permissions limited is a good security practice and also makes troubleshooting easier later on. Once you've selected the required admin API scopes, review everything carefully before moving forward. Make sure the app title is correct and that the permissions match the exact needs of your integration. Small mistakes at this stage can cause connection issues or unnecessary access problems later. When everything looks good, click Install App. This step generates the app's secure, private admin API access token credential. Treat this token like a password because it provides access to your store based on the scopes you approved. Store it securely, avoid sharing it unnecessarily, and make sure it's only used in trusted systems or environments. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom app, configured its admin